Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed in with the personal profile you want to link, because Facebook ties page roles to profiles. Once done, open the business page and go straight to Page Settings or Meta Business Suite. You'll need admin privileges. If you don't have them yet, request them from the current page admin. Next, choose Page Roles and prepare to add your personal profile as an admin or editor. This grants management access while keeping profile and page distinct. Now you'll assign the role through Page Settings or Meta Business Suite so the link is functional. In Page Roles, type your personal profile name or email and choose admin if you need full control or editor for content tasks. If using Business Suite, go to People, click Add, select the page as an asset, and set permissions precisely. This controls what you can do and protects sensitive settings. Then accept the invitation on your personal profile. This step finalizes the connection. Finish by verifying the link. Post as the page. Check that page insights and message inbox are accessible from your personal profile, and confirm posting works. Once linked, make small permission tweaks if needed so day-to-day tasks don't require admin access. If something goes wrong, like you can't add the admin role, make sure your personal profile has identity verification completed and isn't restricted. If issues persist, ask the current page admin to add you or escalate through Meta Business Support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.